all welcome on stage our new Diamond Executive.
Howard and Annie Lim, Jonathan and Christine Chua, and Rona Katrina Asa.
Let's pause for some photos. Can we hear a few words from our new Diamond Executives?
Akala ko dati, yung mga robot lang yung kayang mag-diamond. Kaya rin pala ng mga Diyosa. Achieving our dreams. Sir Candy, Ma'am Melissa, Ma'am A, Ma'am Jolly, Ma'am Carmela, Sir Pao, Sir Alan, sa lahat ng staff, mas masarap po ang buhay namin sa pagnenegosyo dahil sa inyo. For my mentors, Thomas, Erwin, Percy, and Venus, Pax, and Gina, Howard and Annie and Sandy for blazing the trail, for not giving up on their dreams. Andito po kami dahil sa inyong lahat. To my sidelines, para po sa inspirasyon at sa friendship. To my partners, thank you for believing in the beauty of your dreams. Mama Rons is here, happy and ready to rock and roll with you every day because of your love and your trust. Your hug. To Mami and Sally, salamat po sa friendship at sa pagiging stressful ko minsan. Sa aking atches, Gretel, Carla, Jer, Tito Doy, KL, Louie, Shell, Eileen, GP, and Michelle, for making Luskin truly my second home. Ang saya para lang tayo naglalaro pero ang dami-daming pera. To my twin sisters, for being my favorite allies and critics, mahal ko kayo mga beso, na kayo dito. Mommy and Daddy for teaching me how to dream big dreams, andun po sila. For being good entrepreneurs themselves, and your everyday cheers, Mommy and Daddy brought me here faster. I love you. Promise, magbibilis ako mag-Blue Diamond kasi deserve niyo po yung Blue Diamond na buhay. It is literally true that you could succeed best and quickest by helping other people succeed. Thank you, Luskin, for this chance. Sabi ng lolo ko, hindi daw nalalapitan ng pera yung mga taong takot. So let's put up our courage flags and let's do this. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Luskin.
Good morning to the beautiful people